His question is based on verse number 43 of Surah An-Najm. That is, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Wa anna ila rabbikal Muntaha. This part is selected as a question. So he says this is not at all clear to me. What is the subject here?
It's quite clear and simple. Everything ends up with Allah, and everything is decided ultimately by Allah. Ila rabbika muntaha means this, that whatever you do, the end product belongs to Allah. Got it now? Not clear. So what is the clarification you want? इनको समझाएं ना पहले.
He read in some translation that they used the purpose and cause of everything is in the hand of your
This is wrong.
Lord.
Muntaha means the end of everything is in the hands of Allah, not the cause.